freedom. I like to choose word freedom for meaning of this entire text because the real meaning of this Pranjaparamita text is how to free ourselves from what we call fixation mind, grasping mind. So we all have our own cocoon, our own boxes. And this teaching teaches us how to beyond all of this, yet you are not lost. Your sense of your being with the sense of present being with the innate love and compassion and clarity.